Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. In this video we are going to introduce books of fluid mechanics. Okay. Dear students, this course, that is fluid mechanics, is an optional subject. Okay, both in BS physics and BS mathematics. Okay. Fluid mechanics is an optional subject both in BS physics and BS mathematics. Okay. This is the list of. We first open first book, which consists of 901 pages. Okay. Okay, this is the first book. Okay, this is the first book. Fourth edition, Fluid Mechanics, Piyush K. Kundu, Ira M. Cohen. Okay, with contributions by P.S. Swami and H. Hu. Dear students, again and again this thing is coming in front of me, that authors' names are very unusual and I feel difficulty in pronouncing their exact names. Okay. Anyhow, it is written in front of screen, so even if I do not pronounce their names, I think it will be okay. But despite this, I try to pronounce these names. Okay. Anyhow, Fluid Mechanics, 4th edition, its authors are two. Okay. Piyush K. Kundu and Ira M. Cohen, with contributions by P.S. Swami and H. Hu. Okay. Anyhow, we move forward. Okay, Fluid Mechanics, 4th edition. Founders of modern fluid dynamics, Ludwig Prandtl, G.I. Taylor, year of birth, year of death, year of birth, year of death, etc. These are additional things. Okay, Fluid Mechanics, Piyush K. Kundu, Ira M. Cohen, with contributions by P.S. Swami and H. Hu. Elsewhere is its publisher. Okay, 2008, copyrights 2008. Okay, dear students, because this is 4th edition, then there should be some information about previous 3 editions. Okay. But perhaps here that information does not appear, and it will be, perhaps it will be clear when we will go to prefaces. Then perhaps preface to first edition will be given, then preface to 4th edition will be given, then preface to 3rd edition, then 2nd, then 1, and from the preface we will be able to know the years of publication of these 4 editions. Okay. Now we move forward. Okay. In memory of Piyush Kundu. Okay. Anyhow, first we come towards the contents. Perhaps preface may be given after contents, while usual arrangement is contrary to this. Okay, Usually first preface is given and then contents appear, okay, but in these soft versions of books uh, having been downloaded from internet, some irregularities may occur, okay. So this is the preface situation. Yes, this is preface to third edition, but year or date or month is not given, okay. Preface to second edition, here again not given. Preface to first edition, here again date or month or year is not given, okay. Anyhow, we now go back to its contents, okay. Yes, contents, okay. Introduction, Cartesian tensors, kinematics, conservation laws, vorticity dynamics, irrotational flow, gravity waves, dynamic similarity, laminar flow, boundary layers and related topics, computational fluid dynamics, instability, turbulence, geophysical fluid dynamics, aerodynamics, compressible flow, introduction to biofluid mechanics, and then index is given at page number 857. Now we are going to open second book, which consists of 408 pages, okay. 408 pages book is being opened, 408 pages, okay. So dear students, here is the situation. This book consists of 408 pages in accordance with soft soft copy arrangement, okay. Oxford Applied Mathematics and Computing Science series, okay. Oxford Applied Mathematics and Computing Science series, Elementary Fluid Dynamics, D.J. Acheson, D.J. Acheson, D.J. Acheson, okay. Oxford Applied Mathematics and Computing Science series, Oxford Applied Mathematics and Computing Science series, D.J. Acheson, Elementary Fluid Dynamics, Oxford University Press, 1990 copyright, okay. However, previous years are also given, okay. First published in 1990, then reprinted in 1990, 92, 94, 95, 6, 8, 2000, 2001, 2003, okay. Anyhow, these are unnecessary, less relevant things. Its preface was written in April 1989, okay. Whether it is, yes, it is preface. Sometimes in place of preface word forward is used, that is also a similar thing, okay. Anyhow, we come towards the contents, okay. First chapter is the introduction, second elementary viscous flow, waves, classical aerofoil theory, vortex motion, the Navier-Stokes equations, very viscous flow, boundary layers, instability, and index is given at page number 390, okay. Now we can move to next book, which consists of 693 pages, and this is edition of year 2001, engineering fluid mechanics, Grable, Chua, Chua is actually not, we say chua to rat in our local language. Okay, so we should not read that name as chua. Engineering fluid mechanics. Okay, engineering fluid mechanics, the international student edition, Taylor and Frankis publishers. Okay, here students you can see that Taylor 8 Frankis publishers. Okay, actually this is Taylor and Frankis, but mistakes always occur. Okay, anyhow, anyhow 2001. Okay, this book was published in the year 2001 by Taylor and Frankis. Okay, now we come towards its contents. Okay, introduction to fluid mechanics, hydrostatics and rigid body motion. Okay, fluid dynamics, differential analysis, dimensional analysis, laminar viscous flow, turbulent viscous flow, open channel flows, compressible flows, measurement of flow and fluid properties, hydraulic machinery. Conclusion and index is given at page number 657 of this book. Okay, and now we can say yes, we see preface. Okay, okay, no year it's given. Yes, now we can safely move to. But here, dear students, one thing has remained doubtful, that why I had used the word chua, and I said that chua is we say chua to rat in our local language. There might be something like chua. Let us once again see. Okay, its author is W.P. Grable. Okay, its author is W.P. Grable, Graebel, W.P. Grable. Okay, here once again mistake seems. Here it is written W.P. Grable, but here W dot I, then sign of integration Grable. Okay, this is a mistake. Taylor and Frankis. Now we try to find out that at the time of saving this book in my computer, I used within bracket CHUA. I do not know why why did I use this word while saving this book in my computer. Okay, we take some time and then we will assume that it was by mistake. Okay, perhaps it needed to be written China. Anyhow, actually, dear students, several years have gone in such books having been saved in my computer. So anyhow, we leave this. I do not know why I did use word CHUA while saving this book in my computer. Okay, next book consists of 551 pages. Okay, Landau Lifshitz. Okay, Landau Lifshitz, Fluid Mechanics, third revised English edition. Okay, third revised English edition means that this book might be written in some other language during earlier editions. Okay, and then this book might be translated from that other language to English language. Okay, anyhow, Fluid Mechanics, third revised English edition, Course of Theoretical Physics, Volume 6 by Landau Lifshitz. Okay, dear students, here we should make it clear that this volume 6 indicates that this author has several other books under the same name, Course of Theoretical Physics. Okay, but the only difference is that here volume 6 is regarding fluid mechanics. It is quite possible that volume 5 may relate to classical mechanics, volume 2 may relate to quantum mechanics, and so on. Okay, L.D. Landau, deceased, and E.M. Lifshitz. Okay, Institute of Physical Problems. Anyhow, we go forward. Pergamon is the publisher of this book. Okay, Course of Theoretical Physics, Volume 6, Fluid Mechanics. Oh yes, what I said has now become quite clear, that this volume 6, here you can see that volume 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. Oh, okay, 6 has been omitted from this list because currently we are dealing with volume 6, while remaining 8 volumes. Okay, volume 1 is simply general mechanics, volume 2 is about classical theory of fields, volume 3 is about quantum mechanics, non-relativistic theory, volume 4 is about relativistic quantum theory, volume 5 is about statistical physics, volume 7 is about theory of elasticity, volume 8 is about electrodynamics and continuous media, and volume 9 is physical kinetics. Okay, so dear students, if we feel this book helpful and written in an easy manner, and we declare this book as our favorite, then definitely we should go to these remaining 8 volumes by the same author. Okay, but if we are not satisfied with this volume, that is volume 6, then I think we should not try to search these books. Okay, anyhow, Fluid Mechanics by L.D. Landau and E.M. Lifshitz, volume 6 of Course of Theoretical Physics, translated from the Russian by J.B. Sykes and W.H. Reed. Okay, so these two persons had translated this book from Russian language. Okay, Pergamon Press is the publisher of this book and copywriter of 1959. Then second impression in 1963, 1966. Okay, so dear students, a very old book, 1959. Okay, 10 years prior to my year of birth. Okay, anyhow, we come towards its contents. Okay, ideal fluids, viscous fluids, turbulence, boundary layers, thermal conduction in fluids, diffusion, surface phenomena, sound, shock waves, one-dimensional gas flow, two-dimensional gas flow past finite bodies, fluid dynamics of combustion, relativistic fluid dynamics, dynamics of superfluids, fluctuations in fluid dynamics, and then preface. Okay, now we can move to next book, which consists of 305 pages. Okay, 305 pages book is being opened. Yes, this is the book of 305 pages. 305 pages in soft format. Okay, soft format means that this numbering does not tally or correspond exactly with the number of pages printed in hard format at papers of this book. For example, I dear students, I show here. Okay, yes. For example, yes, dear students, you can see here. This is page number 149. Okay, which is printed on papers of this book. When we will take print of this book, our hard copy will say that this is page number 149. Okay, 149 will be printed in the hard copy of this book here, but here as per soft copy arrangement, this is page number 158. Okay, so 9 pages difference. Why 9 pages difference? 9 pages difference is that if we start this book, then first 9 pages will be extra additional pages, and regular first page will start from page number 10. Okay, so we confirm this thing. Okay, yes, this is 10. Okay, dear students, this is page number 2 and this is page number 14. Here 12 pages difference is coming. Anyhow, I had to emphasize that this numbering differs from numbering of hard copy of this book. Okay, fluid mechanics demystified. Okay, a self-teaching guide. Fluid mechanics demystified. Fluid mechanics demystified. Its author's name is Merle C. Potter, PhD. Okay, McGraw-Hill is its publisher. Okay, M-E-R-L-E, Merle or Merle. Okay, M-E-R-L-E, Merle C. Potter, PhD. Okay, now we move to next. Okay, McGraw-Hill is its publisher and copyrights are of 2009. Okay, so this book was published in the year 2009. 2009. Okay, 2009. Now we come towards its contents. Okay, the essentials. Okay, the essentials: fluid statics, fluids in motion. Okay, the integral equations, the differential equations, dimensional analysis and similitude. Okay, internal flow, external flows, compressible flows, and index is given at page number 299 of this book. Okay, next book consists of 899 pages, 899 pages as per soft arrangement. Okay, 899 pages in accordance with the soft copy arrangement. Okay, soft copy arrangement. This is the picture, this is the situation. Philip J. Pritchard, okay, Philip J. Pritchard, Philip J. Pritchard or Philip J. Pritchard, I think Pritchard, Philip J. Pritchard, Philip J. Pritchard. Fox and McDonald's introduction to fluid mechanics. Okay, Fox and McDonald's introduction to fluid mechanics. Okay, Fox and McDonald's introduction to fluid mechanics, 8th edition. Okay, 8th edition. Philip J. Pritchard, with special contribution from John C. Leligian, with special contribution from John C. Leligian. Anyhow, John Wiley and Sons is its publisher. And now we see year of publication. Okay, copyright 2011. Years of previous editions will also be given at some place. Anyhow, we come towards contents. Okay, introduction, fundamental concepts. Okay, introduction, fundamental concepts, fluid statics, basic equations in integral form for a control volume. Okay, introduction to differential analysis of fluid motion, incompressible in viscous flow, dimensional analysis and similitude, internal incompressible viscous flow, external incompressible viscous flow, fluid machinery, flow in open channels, introduction to compressible flow. Okay, then index is given at page number 867. Okay, 867. And next book consists of 542 pages. Okay, 542 pages. This book consists of 562 pages as per soft format. Okay, fundamental mechanics of fluid, 3rd edition, IG Curie, fundamental mechanics of fluids, 3rd edition, IG Curie, fundamental mechanics of fluids, 3rd edition, IJ Curie, fundamental mechanics of fluids, 3rd edition, IJ Curie. Its publisher is Marcel Decker. Okay, Marcel Decker. This publisher has appeared first time in our collection of books. Okay, copyright 2003. Okay, so this book was published in the year 2003. Mechanical engineering, a series of textbooks and not very much relevant. Now we come to its contents, and maybe preface given prior to contents. Okay, preface, not here mentioned. Okay, now contents. Okay, governing equations, basic conservation laws, flow kinematics, special forms of governing equations. Okay, special forms of governing equations, ideal fluid flow. This is part second. Okay, from here second part begins. Two-dimensional potential flows, three-dimensional potential flows, surface waves, exact solutions, low Reynolds number solutions, boundary layers, buoyancy driven flows, compressible flow of inviscid fluids. This is from here fourth part of this book begins. Shock waves, 11th chapter, one dimensional flows, multi-dimensional flows, and then index is given at page number 521. Okay, 521. Next book consists of 679 pages. Okay, 679 pages. Dear students, this is the book consisting of six 679 pages. This is again almost previous, but no, perhaps different. Yeah, addition may be different. Otherwise, similar situation has already been gone through by us. Okay, Fox and McDonald's introduction to fluid mechanics. Okay, Fox and McDonald's introduction to fluid mechanics, ninth edition, Philip J. Pritchard. Okay, this author has been previously used, but this is new author. Okay, because this edition is next ninth edition, so definitely this may be the original author, and in subsequent editions, sometimes in case of death of original author, some co-author appears from some corner to run that business smoothly. Okay, so publishing books definitely is a business. Okay, so Wiley is the publisher of this book, and now we come towards its contents. Okay, contents. Fox and McDonald's introduction to fluid mechanics, ninth edition, Philip Pritchard and John W. Mitchell. Another name is given, special contribution from John C. Leligian. Okay, this was also available in previous edition, but this name is new. Okay, John W. Mitchell. Now we come towards its years of publications. Okay, years of publication. Yes, copyright 2015, and previous edition was in 2011. Okay, presently only 2 years are given, 2011 and 2015. Okay, it means this edition was published in 2015, and now we come towards contents. Okay, its preface was written in July 2014. Contents. Okay, introduction. Chapter number 1, introduction, while chapter number 3, fluid statics. Chapter number 2, fundamental concepts. Chapter number 4, basic equations in integral form for a control volume. Okay, chapter number 6, incompressible inviscid flow. Chapter number 5, introduction to differential analysis of fluid motion. Chapter number 7, dimensional analysis and similitude Chapter number 8, internal incompressible viscous flow. Chapter number 9, external incompressible viscous flow. Chapter number 10, fluid machinery. Chapter number 12, introduction to compressible flow. Chapter number 11, flow in open channels. And then appendix index is given at page number 656. Okay, index of this book is given at page number 656. Next book consists of 245 pages. Next book consists of 245 pages. Okay, 245 pages, relatively small size book. Okay, we should emphasize on quality rather than quantity. Okay, basic fluid mechanics and hydraulic machines. Okay, basic fluid mechanics and hydraulic machines. Yes, when we reduce its size, then other things become visible. Its authors are Zoeb Hussain. Okay, definitely this is a Muslim author, but it may belong to some other country. Here in Pakistan, Zoeb does not appear in such with such spelling. Okay, anyhow, Zoeb Hussain, Zulkifli Abdullah. This is again Muslim, but Zulkifli is a very unusual name. Then Zainal Alimuddin. This is a slightly similar to Pakistani Muslim names. Okay, Zainul Alimuddin, Zainal Alimuddin. Okay, all the three writers are Muslim authors, but despite this, their names are very different from Pakistani Muslim names. Okay, anyhow, we have nothing to do from, we have nothing to take from names. Okay, we have to take only from contents. BS Publications is the publisher. Okay, basic fluid mechanics and hydraulic machines. Zeeb Hussain, Muhammad Zulkifli Abdullah, Zainal Alimuddin. B publish, this is publisher. Copyright 2008. 2008 copyright. Now we come towards its contents. Okay, yes, contents are important. Dimensions and systems of units. Fluid flow, thermal and hydro power stations, machinery, fluid machinery, Pelton turbine, okay, Frankis turbine, propeller and Kaplan turbines, turbo pumps, positive displacement pumps. Index is given at page number 231. Next book consists of 452 pages. 452 pages. This is the book which consists of 452 pages. Okay. Basics of fluid mechanics. Chicago. Copyright 2011. Previous editions 2006, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Version December 21, 2011. We leave this book. Okay. Next book consists of 600 pages. Next book consists of 600 pages and very dashing appearance. Definitely it may be assumed a very important book. Okay, ninth edition, Engineering Fluid Mechanics. It has four authors. Okay, Clayton, Clayton T. Crowe, Crowe. Okay, Donald F. Elgar, Barbara C. Williams, John A. Robertson, John A. Robertson. Okay, once again I try to pronounce the Clayton T. Crowe, Donald F. Elgar, Barbara C. Williams, John A. Robertson. Okay, we move forward, but before moving forward, okay, yes, now complete page is shown. Okay. We are going to its contents. Engineering Fluid Mechanics ninth edition. Okay, Clayton T. Crowe, Donald F. Elgar, Barbara C. Williams, John A. Robertson, John Wiley and Sons is the publisher of this book. And now we see years of publication. Okay, 2009. Okay, this book was published in the year 2009. Contents. Okay. Introduction, fluid properties, fluid statics, control volume, approach and continuity equation, momentum equation, the energy equation, flowing fluids and pressure variation, dimensional analysis and similitude. Okay, surface resistance, compressible flow, flow in conduits, flow measurements, turbo machinery, flow in open channels, drag and lift, and index is given. Not very clear, very much clear. Index is not clear. However, definitely index is given after page number 545. Okay, 545. At page number 545 of this book in printed form, summary of chapter number 15 is given, and then appendix is given, and then answers to odd problems is given, and then index will be given. Okay, so we can assume page number from here. Anyhow, next book consists of 517 pages. Okay, 517 pages. Maynard T. Shrewsbury. Okay, if he is a Shrewsbury, then what I can do? Maynard T. Shrewsbury. Okay, Mainhard, Maynard T. Shrewsbury. Okay, Maynard T. Shrewsbury. Maynard T. Shrewsbury. Maynard T. Shrewsbury. Fluid Mechanics for Engineers, a graduate text. Springer is its publisher. Okay, Maynard T. Shrewsbury, Fluid Mechanics for Engineers, a graduate text. Springer is publisher. 2010. This book was published in the year 2010. Okay, 2010. Accordingly, preface was written in August 2009 by N.T. Shobri. Okay. Contents: introduction, vector and tensor analysis, applications to fluid mechanics, kinematics of fluid motion, differential balances in fluid mechanics, integral balances in fluid mechanics, in viscid flows, viscous laminar flow, laminar turbulent transition, turbulent flow modeling, free turbulent flow, boundary layer theory, compressible flow, and index is given at page number 499. Next book consists of 568 pages. Okay, next book consists of 568 pages. This is okay. 568 pages. 568 pages. Third edition, Fluid Mechanics Streeter. This is easier name. Okay. Third edition, Fluid Mechanics Streeter. Third edition, Fluid Mechanics Streeter. Fluid Mechanics. Victor L. Streeter. Okay, here full name is given Victor L. Streeter. Victor L. Streeter, third edition. McGraw-Hill is its publisher. Okay, copyrights 1958 and 1962. Preface. Contents. Dear students, I am leaving contents. Contents will be similar to previous contents. Okay, next book consists of 783 pages. 783 pages. 783 pages. Okay. 783 pages as per soft format. Okay. This is 6th edition. This is 6th edition. Okay. Munson, Young, Okilishi, Hubish. Okay. So dear students, if he is Hubish, then what I can do? I can do nothing. Okay. Munson, Young, Okilishi, Hubish. Fundamentals of Fluid Mechanics, 6th edition. Okay. 6th edition. Sixth edition, Fundamentals of Fluid Mechanics, Bruce R. Munson. Okay, oh yes, difference, the only difference is here, that here full names are given. Okay, in first page, names in relatively short manner were mentioned. Okay, but here full names are given. Okay, Bruce R. Munson, Donald F. Young, Theodore H. Okishi, and Wade W. Hubish. Okay, Wiley, John Wiley and Sons is its publisher. And now we see year of publication. Okay, 2009. Okay, yes, its years of publication are given in descending order, but we will read in ascending order. Okay, 1990, 94, 99, 2002, 2006, 2009. Okay. Contents. Okay, these are the contents. Introduction, elementary fluid dynamics, the Bernoulli equation, fluid statics, fluid kinematics, finite control volume analysis, differential analysis of fluid flow, okay, viscous flow in pipes, dimensional analysis, similitude and modeling, compressible flow, flow over immersed bodies, open channel flow, turbo machines, and indexes give, oh no, index page is not given, index page is not given, okay. Yes, now we can move to next book, consists of 348 pages, 348 pages, 348 pages. This is the book which consists of 348 pages, okay. 348 pages in accordance with the soft format arrangement, okay, not hard copy arrangement, okay. This is the situation, okay, this is the situation, this is the situation. OC Zane, Keywigs and R.L. Taylor, okay. To the extent of R.L. Taylor, we do not feel any difficulty, but first author seems to be very nutty, okay. O.C. Zane, Keywigs, O.C. Zane, Keywigs, okay. The finite element method, volume 3, fluid mechanics, 5th edition, okay. Anyhow, we move forward, the finite element method, 5th edition, volume 3, fluid dynamics. Okay, okay. The finite element method, 5th edition, volume 3, fluid dynamics, O.C. Zane, Keywigs, CBE, FRS, FR Engineering, R.L. Taylor, okay. Butterworth Honeyman is the publisher of this book, and its year of publication is 2000, okay, 2000. This book was published in the year 2000, and now we come to its contents. Dear students, no need for contents similar. See, all these books have similar contents because their title is similar, okay, okay. Here again name is slightly different, okay. Joseph H. Spurk, Fluid Mechanics, Problems and Solutions. Springer is its publisher. 1997, okay. This book seems to be published in 1997. Now contents, no, dear students, enough. We have opened enough books and seen their contents. So perhaps this book is overlapped or repeated, and we have seen this book in our previous book, okay. Yes, I think perhaps this is an overlapping. At the most, edition may be different. However, we have this is not a new book. This is an old book. Okay, Fluid Mechanics Fundamentals. Fluid Mechanics. Yes, dear students, this is the situation here. Fluid Mechanics Fundamentals and Applications. Yunus A. Sengal. Okay, Yunus is usually Pakistani Muslim name, but here it may be some in other sense. Okay, Yunus A. Cengel, Sengel, Yunus A. Sengel and John M. Simbala. Okay, Yunus A. Sengel and John M. Simbala. Yunus A. Sengel and John M. Simbala. Okay. Fluid mechanics fundamentals and applications. Okay. 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 McGraw-Hill is its publishers. Fluid mechanics fundamentals and applications. McGraw-Hill higher education. Now we see its year of publication. Okay, year of publication. Year of publication. Despite the fact that year of publication is not very important for us, but as a formality, this book was published in the year 2006. Okay, 2006. Okay. Yunus A. Sengel and John A. Sinbala. These are the contents. Okay. Introduction and basic concepts, properties of fluids, pressure and fluid statics, fluid kinematics, mass, Bernoulli and energy equations, momentum analysis and momentum analysis of flow systems, dimensional analysis and modeling flow in pipes, differential analysis of fluid flow, approximate solutions of the Navier-Stokes equation, flow over bodies, drag and lift, compressible flow, open channel flow, turbo machinery, introduction to computational fluid dynamics. Anyhow, we leave this book, and last book consists of 885 pages. This is 7th edition of fluid mechanics. Okay, 700. This book consists of 885 pages. 885 pages. 885 pages. 885 pages. 885 pages. 7th edition fluid mechanics. Frank M. White. Okay, Frank M. White. This person is very frank. We should not feel unpleasant. Okay. Fluid mechanics 7th edition, Frank M. White. McGraw-Hill is its publisher. Now we come towards its year of publication. Okay, year of publication 2011. Okay, 2011, and previous years of publication are 1999, 2003, 2008. Okay, in ascending order: 1999, 2003, 2008, and then 2011. Now we come towards its contents. Okay, introduction, integral relations for a control volume, pressure distribution in a fluid, differential relations for fluid flow, dimensional analysis and similarity, not similitude. Okay, anyhow. Flow past emerged bodies, potential flow and computational fluid dynamics, viscous flow in ducts, potential flow and computational fluid dynamics, viscous flow in ducts, potential flow and computational fluid dynamics, compressible flow, turbo machinery, open channel flow, and index is given at page number 847. And in our next video we will come towards statistical physics or statistical mechanics. Okay, statistical physics or statistical mechanics. And till then, Allah